Good evening, students. Welcome back to our BSc third year SSC physics class. In last lecture, we discussed about the solar water heater. There is another useful application of solar energy is solar cooker. These are the devices and which is useful as an application of a solar energy that we have to study in our SSC syllabus. Now, solar cooker. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss about the solar cooker, how its principle, its working, and there are some advantages and disadvantages of solar cooker that we have to discuss in today's lecture. That we will discuss one by one. We normally use a stove or an oven for cooking a vegetable, meat, and rice in day-to-day life. Using a solar cooker, we cook the same thing but by using a sunlight instead of gas or electricity. In this article, we are going to discuss the working and construction of a solar cooker. Okay, that we will discuss one by one. Sunlight isn't hot in and of itself. It is a radiation generated by fluctuating electric and magnetic field, basically, that we have to understand. The sunlight to heat conversion occurs when the photons of light wave interact with the molecule of the substance. The sunlight to a heat conversion occurs when the photons of light waves interact with the molecules of the substance. The electromagnetic radiation emitted by the sun possess energy in them. When they strike, the energy cause the molecule of the matter to vibrate. And that molecule get excited and jump to the higher level, and this activity generate a heat. Okay. The electromagnetic radiation emitted by the sun carries an energy. We are going to use that energy and convert into the heat energy. How? When that solar radiations strike, the energy cause the molecule of the matter to vibrate. Due to that, molecule get excited and jump to the higher level. This activity generates a heat. Okay. Now, there are some working principle of cooker, solar cooker. Initially, we have to concentrate a sunlight. How? A mirror surface with high specular reflection is used. A mirror surface with a high specular reflection is used to concentrate and channelize light from the sun into a small cooking space. A mirror surface with a high specular reflection is used to concentrate and channelize the light from the sun into a small cooking space. The sunlight can be concentrated by several order of magnitude, producing magnitudes high enough to melt salt and metal. For household cooker applications such high temperature are not required. For solar cooker available in the markets are designed to achieve a temperature 65 degrees Celsius to a 400 degrees Celsius. The main principle, working principle of the solar cooker is to converting a light energy to the heat energy. How, that we have to discuss. The concentrated sunlight is focused onto a receiver such as a cooking pan. We are going to concentrate a sunlight and focus on a cooking pan. The interaction between the light energy and the receiver material helps to convert light into a heat by a process called as conduction. The conversion is maximized by making use of material that conduct and retain heat. Pots and pans used in solar cooker should be matte black in color to maximize the absorption, because absorption coefficient is maximum if the surface is black. After converging, we have to trap the heat energy. How? The occurrence of conversion is reduced by isolating the air inside the cooker from the air outside. Using a glass lid on the pot enhance the light absorption from the top of the pan and decrease the conversion energy loss along with improving heat holding capacity of the cooker. There is no heat loss. The glazing tap the incoming sunlight but is opaque to escaping infrared thermal rays, and which remains in that box. There are several type of solar cooker is available in the market. If we see this slide, this solar cooker is a box type solar cooker. It is the most commonly used form of solar cooker in the box type solar cooker. In this section, we will discuss the construction and working principle of a box type solar cooker only. It consists a 4 different components. First one is the black box, second one is the glass cover, third one is the plane mirror reflector, and fourth one is the cooking container. First, black box. The box is an insulated metal or wooden box which is painted black from the inside to absorb a more heat. That is why we call it black box. Second one is the glass cover, a cover made 2 sheets of toughened glass held together in an aluminum frame is used as a cover for a box. To protect a heat loss. Next, plane mirror reflector. The plane mirror reflector is fixed to the box with the help of screw or hinges. The mirror reflector can be positioned at any desired angle to the box to get maximize concentrated of sunlight. The mirror is positioned so as to allow the reflected sunlight to fall on the glass cover of the box. Okay. Next one is the cooking container. Cooking container. A set of aluminum container blackened from the outside are kept in a box to, for which is useful to cook any kind of meal. A solar cooker placed in a sunlight and the plane mirror reflector is adjusted in a way such that the strong beam of sunlight enters the box throughout the glass sheet. The blackened metal surface in the wooden box absorbs that infrared radiations from the beam of sunlight and heat produces and raises the temperature of a blackened metal surface to up to 100 degrees Celsius. Up to 100 degrees Celsius. In this way, this solar cooker can work, or the food absorb that heat and the black surface and get cooked. The thick glass sheet does not allow the heat